Hello, my dear students. Welcome to your mathematics class. Dear students, we are doing data handling unit 9 of your NCERT book. And till now, we have done 3 exercises in which in the first exercise, we have learned how to read a pictograph. In second exercise, we have learned how to make a pictograph. In third exercise, I have introduced the bar graphs, and now in 9.4 we are going to start today, and in this exercise I'll explain you that how to make the bar graphs. So now let's start with 9.4 exercise. So dear students, our first question of 9.4 exercise is a survey of 120 students, school students was done to find. सर्वे मीन्स होता है 120 स्टूडेंट से पूछा गया. क्या पूछा गया? वॉज डन टू फाइंड आउट विच एक्टिविटी दे प्रेफर टू डू इन देयर फ्री टाइम, दैट वॉट एवर दे वॉन्ट टू डू इन देयर फ्री टाइम. लाइक हाउ मैनी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स प्रेफर्ड प्लेइंग. कुछ बच्चों ने बोला दे लाइक प्लेइंग इन देयर फ्री टाइम. सो देयर आर 45 स्टूडेंट्स हु लाइक प्लेइंग इन फ्री टाइम. Reading story books, 30 students like reading story books in free time. 20 students like watching TV in their free time. 10 students like listening to music in their free time. 15 students like painting, to do painting in their free time. So this data which we got after this survey is given to us. Now the question is, draw a bar graph to illustrate the above data taking scale of 1 unit length is equal to 5 students. And after this we have to answer which activity is preferred by most of the students other than playing. So let's do this question. Now dear students, this question we are going to do on a graph paper. You have to purchase a graph notebook from the market, and you have to do all the questions of 4 questions of this exercise on graph paper. Like I am making this bar graph for you on the graph paper. First of all, what you have to do is you have to make these 2 lines. One is sleeping line, that is horizontal line. We call it as x-axis. X-A-X-I-S, axis. And the second line, which is 90 degree to this line, that is the standing line. This standing line, that means vertical line. This vertical line is known as y-axis. They both lie at 90 degree with each other. So first of all, to make the bar graphs of every question, you have to make x-axis and y-axis. Now along the x-axis and y-axis we will use the table given to us. Like in the question, first column is of preferred activity, so we will use preferred activity to represent on x-axis. Second column is of number of students, so we will use y-axis to represent number of students. And then you have to write the scale which we are selecting. 1 unit is equal to 5 students. Now what do you mean by 1 unit? Dear students, this one box, you can see lines, dark lines are there, few light lines and few lightest lines are drawn on this graph paper. तो ये जो first box का ये जो part होता है यहाँ से यहाँ तक, from here to here, this is 1 unit. Then from here to here, this is 1 unit. This is 1 unit. This is 1 unit. ये एक एक बॉक्स को हम बोलते हैं 1 यूनिट. वी कॉल इट एज 1 यूनिट. तो इस तरह से हम 1 यूनिट को मार्क कर रहे हैं यूजिंग पेंसिल. एंड व्हाट दे आर सेइंग, वी आर रिप्रेजेंटिंग नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स ऑन वाई एक्सिस. तो हम 1 यूनिट मीन्स एक बॉक्स कितने स्टूडेंट्स को रिप्रेजेंट करेगा? 5 स्टूडेंट्स को. सो वी विल राइट 5. देन 5, नेक्स्ट 5 का क्या? 5 का टेबल यूज़ करेंगे. 5 2 ज़ा 10. देन 10 के बाद 5 3 ज़ा 15, 5 4 ज़ा 20, then 25, then 30, then you will write 35, 40, 45 and so on. How many? The number which we need. Like in table we have maximum value as 45, तो हमने अपने जो y वो कहाँ तक लिखी है हमने 45 तक. And why we have used 1 unit length is equal to 5 student? Because you can see all the values given to us are multiples of 5. सभी 5 के टेबल में आते हैं. That's why it is better to represent 5 students on 1 unit. So dear students, first of all, make this x-axis, then y-axis. On x-axis the first table preferred activity, on y-axis number of students, and must mention 1 unit is equal to 5 students, and this is 1 unit हमने represent कर दिए. Now let us start making the bar graph using scale and pencil. Now dear students, first activity is playing. How many students prefer playing? 45. So let us make a bar. Let us make a bar like this. इस तरह से का बार बनाएंगे. और कहाँ तक लेंथ जाएगी उसकी? बार की लेंथ कहाँ तक जाएगी? यहाँ तक. सो हम एक बॉक्स की जगह छोड़ेंगे. वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हेयर 1 यूनिट छोड़ के, और 1 यूनिट की हम बार बनाएंगे. और बार की लेंथ कहाँ तक जानी चाहिए? दिस इज़ 45 मीन्स यहाँ तक. सो यूजिंग स्केल एंड पेंसिल लेट अस मेक दिस बार फॉर प्लेइंग. सो दिस इज़ प्लेइंग एक्टिविटी. तो हम इसके अंदर वी कैन राइट एज प्लेइंग लाइक दिस, PLAYING playing, and it is how much tall? It is up to 45, means 45 students. So we will write it here also. Now dear students, the second activity, preferred activity, is reading story books. 30 students. So now again leave 1 unit, एक गैप छोड़ेंगे यहाँ और नेक्स्ट गैप में बनाएंगे कितनी लेंथ का? 30. हेयर इज़ 30. तो हम यहाँ तक बनाएंगे यूजिंग पेंसिल. बीच में 1 यूनिट का गैप छोड़ना है बार्स के. दैट्स वाई दिस इज़ नोन एज बार ग्राफ. सो दिस इज़ रीडिंग स्टोरी बुक्स and its length is 30. So we will write it here as READING, reading story books, length is 30. Now dear students, our next activity is watching TV, and 20 students like watching TV in their free time. So now watching TV, again leave a gap, 1 unit gap. Here we are going to make watching TV activity and up to 20 length. Here is 20. So 20 length की यहाँ तक बनाएंगे. So you in this way you will get a bar for watching TV. 20 students, right? 20 के parallel में. Now next activity is listening to music. 10 students. So now again leave 1 unit distance and 10 units. Here is 10. 10 यहाँ है तो इसके बराबर में यहाँ पर हम मार्क करेंगे. दिस इज़ द लेंथ 10 यूनिट्स, एंड वी विल मेक अ बार हेयर फॉर लिसनिंग टू म्यूजिक. सो इन दिस वे 1 बार मस्ट बी देयर फॉर लिसनिंग टू म्यूजिक. नाउ आवर लास्ट एक्टिविटी इज पेंटिंग, preferred activity. 15 students like it. So again leave a unit distance. We'll make it here. And this is 15, so its length must be, this bar must be 15 unit tall. So we will use this. So now last bar 15 length and is of painting. So dear students, in this way you have to make a bar graph for all the preferred activities including number of units using scale. 1 unit is equal to 5 students. Now this is the first part of the question we have done. Now second part is which activity is preferred by most. By most means maximum number of students like which activity. तो कौन सी वैल्यू सबसे ज़्यादा है? 45 students means playing is liked by most of the students. Graph also you can see which bar is tallest. कौन सा बार tall है सबसे? 45 वाला, and that is playing. So the answer to second part will be बी पार्ट का क्या आंसर रहेगा? विच एक्टिविटी मस्ट बी प्रेफर्ड बाय मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल स्टूडेंट्स? सो प्लेइंग इज प्रेफर्ड बाय मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स. सो आई होप डियर स्टूडेंट्स द क्वेश्चन इज क्लियर टू यू. सो यू विल बी एबल टू डू द रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चंस ऑल्सो लाइक दिस. Now dear students, second question, the number of mathematics books sold by a shopkeeper on 6 consecutive days is shown below. Means how many books were sold by the bookshop, and which book? Mathematics. Like on Sunday, number of books sold is equal to 65. On Monday, 40 books were sold. On Tuesday, 30 books were sold. On Wednesday, 50 books were sold. And on Thursday, 20. Friday, 70 books were sold. Now what you have to do, draw a bar graph to represent the above information choosing the scale of your choice. Now dear students, again let us make an x-axis horizontal sleeping line and the standing line vertical line y-axis, and on x-axis we will represent number of days, the days, name of the day, and on y-axis we are representing number of books sold, right? And the scale, to select the scale, as you can see the values 40, 30, 50, 20, 70, you can see all are the multiples of 10 except this one. So let us take 1 unit is equal to 10 books. So we will write 1 unit is equal to 10 books. So means we will take a gap. And dear students, one thing left in my previous question is that the intersecting point of the two axes, ये जो point होता है, this point is known as origin. क्या बोला जाता है इसे? This is known as origin, ORIGIN. जहाँ पर हमारी y axis और x axis intersect होती है, this point is known as origin, right? And यहाँ पर जो value होती है वो हमेशा 0 होती है. x की भी 0 वैल्यू और y की भी 0. Now we have selected 1 unit is equal to 10 books. So we will, by leaving 1 unit, this is 1 unit, this is 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 box छोड़ेंगे, 1 unit mark कर देंगे. And because in the table the maximum value is given as 70, so let us mark the numbers from 70. 10 का गैप है तो हम 10 का टेबल लिखेंगे. 10 2s are 20, 3s are 30, 4s are 40, 10 5s are 50, 10 6s are 60, 10 7s are 70, 10 8s are 80, like this. Now let us see. So now on Sunday 65 books were sold. Now dear students, on Sunday 65 is not there on the scale, but we know that 65 lies between 60 and 70. तो इन दोनों के बीच में आपको एक लाइन दिखेगी बिल्कुल 60 और 70 के बीच में, दिस वन. तो दिस विल बी 65 और यहाँ से हम एक बॉक्स छोड़ते हुए यहाँ मार्क कर देंगे. सो मीन्स जो हमारा संडे का बार बनेगा वो 65 लेंथ का बनेगा, लाइक दिस. सो 65 लाइज बिटवीन 65 60 के बाद आता है और 70 से पहले. सो दिस इज़ द मिडल दिस. सो लेट अस मेक अ ग्राफ बार फॉर दिस. So a bar of Sunday and 65 length. Now on Monday 40 books were sold. Now let us represent all these numbers on using bars. So for Monday 40 length must be there, so we'll mark it here. This will be the Monday bar. Then on Tuesday the 30, तो एक बार छोड़ के हम 30 का मार्क कर देते हैं यहाँ पर. And let us make the bars for Monday and Tuesday. So in this way 40 length Monday, on Tuesday 30 books were sold, so 30 length. And now on Wednesday 50 books, Thursday 20 and 70. Let us mark them together. So this is for Wednesday, so we will write Wednesday for this, WEDNESDAY, Wednesday. Then this is of Thursday, Thursday, and this is a Friday. So like this you have to make a graph, bar graph, for your second question, dear students. I hope the graph is clear to you. Now this is your second question, but in this question no other question has been asked, but I can ask you that on which day maximum books were sold. So what is the answer? Which is the tallest bar? This bar. So on Friday maximum books 70 were sold. On which day minimum books were sold? किस दिन सबसे कम बुक्स हुई? तो सबसे छोटी लेंथ का बार कौन सा है? दिस वन. On Thursday minimum books, that is 20 books were sold, right? So in this way various questions can be asked to you. So dear students, draw these graphs in your notebook using graph paper and paste the graph paper in your notebook and use pencil and scale, draw the bar graphs very neatly. And now third and fourth question, try these questions yourself as the homework questions, right? Thank you, my dear students. I hope the questions bar graphs are clear to you. Thank you.